Yeah, we look at the vastness of the universe, but what we recognize is that make the universe the tiniest bit less massive, and in the first 4 minutes after the cosmic creation event, so little hydrogen will be fused into helium, future stars will not make any elements heavier than helium. You got a universe with no carbon, no oxygen, and no nitrogen. And it goes the other way. If you make the universe slightly more massive than it is, then future stars rapidly convert all that hydrogen to helium into elements as heavy as iron or heavier. And once again, you end up with a universe with no carbon, no oxygen, no nitrogen, and no possibility for life. In other words, if you want one planet on which life can exist, you need a universe that has a trillion stars in it, where those trillion stars make up just 1/4% of all the stuff of the universe. Moreover, the universe has to be precisely the size that it is. We live in an expanding universe, but it's got to expand to a certain size before advanced life is possible. Every feature of the universe we observe must be fine-tuned to make our existence possible. And I got a book coming out next year called Design to the Core, where I say we live in a unique super galaxy cluster that looks like no other galaxy, super galaxy cluster in the universe. And it alone has the design features to make life possible. And we live in the only galaxy cluster that has the features that permits our existence. The only galaxy group. 200 different features of our Milky Way galaxy must be fine-tuned to make the existence of us human beings possible. And there's only one locale within our Milky Way galaxy where existence is possible. And we're orbiting the only star. For 60 years, we astronomers have been trying to find a star that's sufficiently like our sun that it could be a candidate to have advanced life on a planet orbiting it. Lots of stars are twins of one another, but our star, the sun, we've yet to find an adequate twin. And likewise, the planets. We've now found almost 5,000 planets beyond our solar system, and my peers anticipated we'd find a bunch that were just like the planets in our solar system. Well, 5,000 exoplanets later, we've yet to find a single planet that's like any one of the 8 planets in our solar system. And it led to an amazing discovery. Every planet in our solar system must be fine-tuned to make advanced life possible here on planet Earth. A couple of months from now, we're going to be celebrating Thanksgiving. I don't know what it's like for your family, but when we pray, we're going to be thanking God for Mercury, for Venus, for Uranus and Neptune, because there'd be no Thanksgiving dinner if those planets weren't exactly the way they are.
Right.
And moreover, even the 5 asteroid belts that are in our solar system have to be fine-tuned to make turkey possible on your Thanksgiving table.
We kind of we kind of pushed Pluto out of the family, though, didn't we? He doesn't show up at Thanksgiving anymore.
Yeah. If your boss says you've been Pluto, that's not a good thing. That means you've been demoted.
Right.
But the problem was when we discovered Pluto back in 1930, its size was greatly overestimated. We've now found asteroids that are bigger than Pluto. So we had two choices: either force all of our school children to memorize the names of 40 planets, or we demote Pluto. So we demoted Pluto.
Poor Pluto. So
Yeah.